I'm back again with another Squarespace platform update. This one is called Site Themes. So, this update rolled out to general availability in September of 2024, and it's designed to help DIY customers arrive at a cohesive look and feel with a single click. All right, I am here in my starter template for web designers. If you're a web designer and you want to know what I have in my starter template, I'll drop a link for you below. You can watch the full walkthrough or just purchase mine if you want to save even more time. All right, let's go ahead and hop into site styles. And here are these new site themes. So let's go ahead and click here. And you can see they come in different groupings. So we've got professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, innovative. And there are also packs for fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. So how does this look? Well, let's hop into the style guide here. This is one of my favorite things about the starter template, and we can preview how things are going to look together. So let's go into our site themes and let's go professional. Interesting. All right, how about playful? Try a different playful. Very fun. You can see how the button styles change. And let's try a friendly. These pre-made packs give customers a way to easily explore ready-made aesthetics at a step that's above just choosing a template for look and feel. So they could choose a template for functionality and then come in and apply one of these themes for look and feel. So if they're quirky, you can make it look a little different. And you can also go into each of these recommended font packs and change things even more granularly. So we can change the color palette, we can change our button styles. When you roll over it, you can see the 3 different button styles. So I think this is a really great option for clients who aren't designers. And I think it's a nice way to keep a cohesive look and feel throughout the site. And it made it pretty easy for people to just pick one right off the bat that might work for them. So this is an update that I really like. I'm excited to see where they go from here. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.